Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily fix broken connections or authentication loops in your Google Chrome. Let's begin. First, open up Chrome and I want you to go and type this on the search field, Chrome semicolon slash net dash internals. All right, just hit enter. Now, this will be a very simple and straightforward guide. Just click on proxy over here and then click on clear bad proxies. And that's actually pretty much it. So once you click this, it's done. And don't worry, it won't really mess up your system or anything in your profile or Chrome profile. You can restart Chrome, close everything, and then reopen your Chrome, and everything should now be fixed. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.